Alright, today we're going to be reviewing these Wahlburger burgers. They've been out for, I don't know, 2-3 years, I think. And they have different ones out. This is the fresh Angus blend. They also have a prime blend, a Kobe blend, and a craft blend. And I didn't know they had hot dogs too. I never tried those. This is the one you're going to see in the store most of the time. It was on sale for $11.49. It's normally $12 something. But I'm going to compare these to my Stop and Shop, my local grocery store burgers, which are amazing. And it's like almost half the price, $7.49 for 4. You get 4 of these Wahlburgers. So we're going to cook them up and see what happens. They're packaged pretty nice, I gotta say. Nice and thick. We're going to throw a little olive oil down first. And we're going to use some Martin's potato rolls. I'm going to toast them up. I always season my meat, burgers, steaks, with this Montreal seasoning. It's got pretty much everything in it. Yeah, I actually flattened this burger out a little bit. You can see it's shrinking back. Shouldn't take very long. A little bit more Montreal on this side. I'm going to put a slice of cheese on it. Tell you, the price of meat in the stores has gone up ever since COVID, it seems. A box of Bubba burgers in the store now is like $16. I remember buying those for $12, $13. Like 2018, 2019. So I decided to throw some onions in on this. That's always good on a burger. Sauteed onions. The buns are done. The bun. And yeah, Wahlburgers also had a reality TV show for about, I think, 3 seasons. It's gone off a couple years ago. And yeah, it's the Famous Family with Mark, who does the movies, and Donnie's in that kid band, although they're not kids anymore. All right, I think it's time to throw a piece of cheese on there. So I say this bad boy's probably done. And I don't like my burgers overcooked. I like them pretty rare in the middle. So hopefully we're good there. Now I'll show you what I'm gonna put on the bun. Okay, so on the bun, I go through phases on what I put on my burgers. Lately I've been doing some sweet, too much. Sweet Baby Ray's. It's good stuff. We're going to have to take a little bit of that. I didn't want that much on there. And we're going to put a little bit of mayo on the top. Sometimes I'll put some soy sauce on here or teriyaki. I'm going to go with the tomato. Here comes our onion mixture. Sometimes I'll throw a pickle on, but not today. Oh, last but not least, the Wahlburger. Sure looks good. Okay, here comes a big reveal. I let it cool down for a few minutes. I'll tell you, it looks good. Looks real good. Cooked just right. Could have took it off a little bit earlier, but very juicy. Yeah, it's really good. It's up there on a scale from 1 to 10. I would probably say this is going to be about a 7.5, maybe. Yeah, delicious. But compared to my store-bought burgers, it's real close. Real close. I can't even put my finger on it. Yep. Well, definitely try it out. It's definitely worth it. A little bit more money, but see what you think. Yeah, that was definitely good. I would have to say it's a step up from my store burgers, and I'd give the store burgers compared to this probably like a 6.5 or a 7. But yeah, this was good. It went right down, and it didn't last long on that dish. Thanks for watching.